Good evening. My name is Francimilena Beltrán. I am a student at Universidad de La Salle. I live and work in San Jose del Guaviare, and I am going to describe it as my friend Jason. Jason is a friend of the family. He is tall, thin man, brown skin, hair short black hair. He has big brown eyes. He has a very beautiful and contagious smile. He likes sport a lot. He practices athletics, cycling, and skiing. Jason and I share a love of cycling. Although I do it for fun, but he has competed. He has a very good psychic. Jason is 38 years old. He has been married to Andrea for 7 years. He has no children, but he adores his nephews. He lives with his wife in Bogotá, but he has born in the city Villavicencio, where his mother Marina and father Jose live. Jason is a policeman. He is a specialist in explosives, which is why he likes traveling to places where groups outside the law want to harm Colombians. He is very calm, fun, but very protective. He loves his family and very times he has vacations. He visits them and travels to see different tourist places. He always brings gifts for every young. I like to listen to Jason's anecdotes because they are interesting, dangerous, and funny. Whenever he can, we sit down to drink beer and tell each other stories. He is a great friend. Gracias.